Hi loves, in today's video I will be rebuilding my closet, but first I need to go get a system that will help me get my clothes off the floor. When I first moved in like a year and a half ago, all the closets fell. Mine was the last one to fall, and I just haven't been able to get to this project, but now I'm going to tackle it. I got on Amazon, couldn't find nothing there. Got on Ikea, and I didn't have a plan. I just said, let me go. I took some measurements and I kind of have an idea what I'm going to get. So if you're interested in seeing what is at Ikea, see what I found, and I think they're having a spring sale as well, just go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned for the end, and there will be a part 2 of me decluttering all of my things and putting up this new closet. Good morning, loves. We are going to run some errands today. I really just need to go to Ikea because I'm going to be starting on my closet. So yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do.